This is the Star of the Seas Infinite Balcony, room 10231. To the left, you have your bathroom, which has a shower and plenty of shelving. Right outside the bathroom, you have your control panel for the temperature in the room, lights, and it also can control the balcony blind. You have the full mirror, which also inside has more shelves, and the safe. There's plenty of closet space. You have two sides to the closet. One is for longer things. The second side also has a shelf at the bottom. And then you have the 4 wire racks underneath the second closet door. There's plenty of storage in this room. Each side of the bed has a little nightstand, and both sides also have charging stations. There is also storage under the bed. That's where we put our suitcase. The desk area has 5 drawers, and then the cabinet door that opens for the small refrigerator. This little table is movable. I use it to store the medical fridge and towel animals. This is the infinite balcony area. You can operate the shade and the window with the controls on the wall. You can also control the light with the little switch on it if you don't want to get up and go to the main switch. These are the controls for the window and the blind. When you're operating the window, To make it go all the way down, you have to hold the button continuously or it will stop wherever you release it. This room has an obstructed view. There is a cover out there so you can't see directly down into Central Park. And you do also hear the music playing in the evenings out there. It's the same for when you put the window up. You have to hold the button down the whole time. And it does move slowly. To operate the shade, all you have to do is press the button and then it'll come down halfway. And then you press the button again and it'll go down the full length of the window. The shade blocks out all the light. We had no issue with any light or sun coming through there at all this trip. And when you want it to go back up, you just press the button and it goes all the way up. So this is Infinite Balcony 10231 on Star of the Seas. It does have the obstructed view, and you can hear music from Central Park in the evenings. So just keep that in mind if you do book this room. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.